These giant ears aren't just for hearing, they're secret heat vents that save this fox's life daily. In the Sahara, temperatures hit 120 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to fry an egg on sand. While other animals collapse, this fox stays cool without sweating or panting. The secret? Those ears are doing something shockingly clever. Hit like if you've ever struggled with heat. Subscribe for more wild survival hacks. Here's the genius trick. Their ears contain a dense network of blood vessels that dissipate heat 3 times faster than human sweat. At night, these same ears can hear insects moving underground from 20 feet away. Basically, they're nature's ultimate multi-tool, cooling fans and satellite dishes in one.